As some of you may or may not know, we were recently blessed with the birth of our son, and amongst the many things that this has changed in our lives, one of those was me trying to figure out a good way to protect the interior of the M3. So reached out to the good folks over at WeatherTech and ordered a few goodies from them. Looks like they just arrived, so let's get them inside and check them out. Now that we get them inside, let's open them up, and obviously with these boxes being much larger, doing the video a little different, but same concept. So let's open them up. So we have some installation hooks. One of the rear floor mats, floor liners as they call it. Good quality. I mean, it's fairly flexible. Nice charcoal black. A little bit of texture to it. The other one. Product catalog. Passenger side. Passenger side. Go ahead and do the logo. Driver's side, and it has a little safety information. Oh, these look good. Alright, now for the cargo liner. Another product catalog in this one too. Oh, this looks nice. And the cargo liner itself. I don't know if you can see, but it looks like it has the little holes where our current holes are, like our hooks are for the car, so that's going to be nice. Obviously, I think I need to leave this one out to flatten itself, so that's what we'll do before we install. But there you have it. This is what it looks like when you get floor liners and cargo liners from WeatherTech. Overall, pretty impressive. Can't wait to try them out and see how they perform. So I'll probably do another video on that once it's in the car and I've had some usage out of it. And especially the cargo liner, I think that one will be the most interesting to see. But please make sure you subscribe to this channel, as there's many more videos to come.